Hi, all of you. When India is back with our Be Vocal for Local session. A very good evening to all of you. And today's session will be hosted by me, Sejal Raja. Our guest for today's session is a dynamic lady, Uma Maheshwari. Uma R. Maheshwari has over 15 years experience in the developmental sector, particularly in support and care of vulnerable children and women in the field of education. She also has an MA degree in development from Azim Premji University and specializes in the field of health, nutrition, and education. She has the experience of setting up a nutrition company from its inspection to a stable operation in over 3 years in Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. At present, she is the founder of Vimana Nutrition OPC Private Limited, a social enterprise with a mission of providing affordable and accessible nutrition for all. So,
Thank you, Sejal.
yes, Umaji.
Good evening to all. Thank you so much for having me here. Uh, Vimana is something that's birthed out of my experience. To tell you about Vimana, I need to tell you about myself. Uh, I worked with children in the streets and slums of Bangalore for over 15 years. And I worked in the field of education. And that's where I came into this understanding after my post graduation at Azim Premji University that nutrition is a very, very integral part of a child's life. And malnutrition is very high in our country. And so I know there are lots of nutritional products that, projects that the government has, but most of them are not something that children enjoy eating. Most of the time, it's only a porridge that they give them or a powder that they have to eat or, things like that. So that's where I wanted to come up with something that children enjoy eating. So that's where this idea of a bar came up and Vimana was born. Vimana is the bar that we make is tasty and healthy and nutritious. The name Vimana itself, Sejal, you could move to the next slide. Sejal, am I audible?
Yes.
Okay. The next slide. Okay. So Vimana is supposed to be a social enterprise. That is what we do is we have a commercial aspect and the commercial aspect feeds into our social aspect. And the name Vimana stands, it has a meaning. WE in Vimana is for us, the people, the society. And Mana is a Polynesian word meant for mental, physical, spiritual strength, energy, and power. And this is what we intend to do for our women and our children. And our mission is nutrition for all, and our vision is affordable and accessible nutrition for everyone. Okay. So, on the commercial aspect, we have a product which is totally natural, totally vegetarian, and with no added preservative. And it's millet based. Okay. And these are the bars we have in our commercial aspect. Uh, our bars, we started off with 4 flavors. Okay. This bar, the MRP is 20 rupees. And these 3 flavors, ginger raisin, flaxen dates, and couscous and fig, are 25 each. The idea of keeping, and each bar has about 6 grams of protein, iron, calcium. And the idea of keeping the bar at such low price is only because we want to be able to, even a middle class family should be able to afford to buy the bar. And we sell these bars online and retail stores, through organic stores, and also directly we sell it to nutritionists who prescribe it to their clients. And on the social aspect, we provide our bars. We work with NGOs, we partner with them, and we provide these bars to the NGOs. If the NGO can raise their own funds, then this bar is given to them at 10 rupees, which is below cost. Each bar, like I told you, has protein, iron, calcium. Iron and calcium, what half of what an adult needs in a day, RDA, and one third of what a child needs in a day. This is what we function. We have a commercial aspect, we have a social aspect. We manufacture nutrition bars, sell them, and The profit goes towards our social aspect, where we give it away to women and children through our NGOs. And we also provide bars for NGOs to buy from us if they have the funding for it. Okay. These are some of the recognitions Vimana has had over the years, when India also has acknowledged what we've done. And this is just a small attempt from Vimana's side to make an impact in the nutrition level of children. Going forward, what Vimana dreams of is to empower women at the village level, where we have entrepreneurs created at the village level who use locally available ingredients to create laddus, which they can sell to the local community for the nutrition of the community, to the government school children, to the women around, a snack that is healthy and tasty and yet affordable by them. Right through the lockdown since last year, we have worked with a number of NGOs and a number of organizations. We worked with the UNICEF, we worked in partnership with the government of Karnataka, where we provided nutrition bars to the women and the pregnant women and children of our guest workers who were going back. And we are still continuing to work with the migrant
Great work,
community.
great work.
Thank you. So, this is what we've been doing, and this I already told you about myself. Thank you so much.
Wonderful, Umaji, what you are doing. So, thank you so much, Umaji, for joining us on this platform today. We wish you and the team of Vimana all the very best, and may you all keep doing such wonderful work. And thank you for donating nutrition bars to children orphanage at Yamlur and Kidwai Hospital for cancer children.
Thank you.
So,
It's my pleasure.
viewers, help us feed. And we are raising funds for Gharonda. So, Gharonda is a home for destitute women, especially those who are left homeless due to multiple reasons, mental illness, health challenges, and many more. Those whose families are not ready to keep them, they come and stay at Gharonda. So link will be shared in comment section below very soon. So please help us feed and uh, be vocal for local. So eat nutrition bars, but buy from Umaji, buy from Vimana. And thank you so much, Umaji.
Thank you. Thank you. Just to say that we're available on Big
Yes.
Basket and a few other organic online stores. Thank you.
Thank you. Namaste.